Hey guys, this is a video review unboxing of the DeLonghi Dinamica with LatteCrema. Here's the model number, ECAM35075SI. So let's open it up and take a look. Beautiful looking box, beautiful looking machine. There's a box in a box in a box in a box. So it's got a nice screen, easy to rinse, clean. They're touting this as kind of more automated than a lot of their other machines. You have the double spout, and you have the hopper and the grinder, bird grinder at the top. If you ever get any machine from DeLonghi or an Espresso, just always remember to register your product. It's definitely worth getting the extra year warranty. So inside here, we got a little part box. So inside you have included descaler, filter, brush, and for the actual grounds. Super beautiful looking. It's hard not to get glare on something so beautiful. Water tank. So this here is the actual removable brewing unit, which once a month you can take out and wash out. So up here we have the grinder, hopper, with your individual grind settings. So you just have to play with that to make sure you're not over or under extracting. And this is pretty innovative and cool. This is, it says 1 cup max there. That's for your override. So let's say you did coffee normally, but then someone wants a decaf. You can drop in pre-ground into here, or a flavored coffee like a hazelnut or whatnot. That's pre-ground. 1 scoop max, don't fill it up. You got your on-off button here, all your settings. From here to here is the water filter that goes in, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna leave it out. So I didn't know during the initial setup of the machine that it rinses here and rinses here. I probably should have guessed that. I've tested so many coffee machines as it is. So because this is a fully automated machine, like I have one that you put it in, you pull down the tamper, it grinds it, you move it over. Well, this is fully automated, so it makes the little pucks itself from the grounded beans, and when it's done, it just dumps it in here, which is super easy and convenient. You just dump this bin when you're done, and you're off to the races. Let's put this back. Bean time. Just gonna pour enough for a cup. Select beverage. Okay, might as well get a cup. And this guy here can stay stationary like that, or you can put this guy in. So what you do is remove it and pop it in like that, and then you fill up your milk. Kind of good to go there. It's got the clean settings. Pretty nice. Some people don't use it, some people do. If you do, it's removable like that because, you know, when you're done with it and you have it filled up here, you want to put it back in the fridge. I like the loading bar. Makes it feel like coffee is an app. Pretty cool. Looks like it's going again. That's pretty awesome and fascinating. Look at the crema on that, it's crazy. It's not even coffee colored anymore. So pretty awesome that it will go, it will grind, it will dump, it will restart the process. It has extra water customization so you can make it pour more. Those are the bean settings there where you can go up to make it stronger, whatnot. It does iced coffee. And when it does iced coffee, it overbrews because they assume you're going to add a lot of milk to it, or in its cold brew process. Pretty amazing how incredible and easy your life can be with something like this. Pretty beautiful looking long. So let's go ahead and add some milk. This automated system is definitely worth it. If you're having coffee all day long and you just want to empty a bin once every, couple days or whatnot, or you're like Megan and I, we do it all the time, like per cup, so it doesn't really matter to us, but it definitely simplifies your life. And the coffee is phenomenal. I would say a little bit better than the La Specialista, and overall look is amazing, sleek, beautiful, functional, absolutely incredible. Highly recommended, and I hope you guys enjoyed and have a great day.
Esta es mi máquina dinámica. Aquí está los instructivos, los manuales, el modelo. Todo lo quise configurar en base al manual. Cuando llego a este paso, aparece este letrero, le pongo OK. Y no procede. Gracias, eso es todo lo que me piden que les muestre. Aquí es esto es lo que pasa.
This is the lowest grind size. This is what it gets. This is the lowest grind size. This is the most that is not right.